If you guys saw my previous video uploaded on Saturday, you saw that I took the Supra out for the first time in a while. We had the AWE S-Flow carbon intake installed. It looks amazing, sounds amazing. If you guys want to check that video out, it is down below in the description. But today we actually are taking the Supra out again, and we are going to be putting the Extreme Online Store carbon fiber front lip on. But in order to do that, we have to take the car back out of storage. So right now I'm at the storage facility. I'm gonna take the car out, let it warm up for a little bit, and I'm actually gonna run some errands, and after that we're gonna head to Kenny's shop, throw the car up on the lift, start installing the lip, and then obviously I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm actually really hyped for this because obviously the Supra already has a front lip, which we swapped out previously. So I had the OEM black, obviously it comes with the car. We swapped that for carbon, but this is like an additional piece that's actually gonna make the car look a little bit lower as well. It should look really aggressive, so I'm excited for it. We're gonna take the car out of storage now, and I'm obviously gonna take you guys along with me, so let's get it. So we have the Supra, and needless to say, she's pretty tight up in here, but it does the job. It's not climate controlled, but what I've been doing is basically coming here every few days, starting it up, let it run for a little bit. Quick update on the carbon fiber wing. If you didn't see the last video, I'm starting to get these marks here. I did post in a group and everyone's saying it's just the clear that was done on the wing itself. So I believe the only way to fix this is to sand the wing down completely and then re-clear it. It's a pain in the ass. I don't know if I want to do that, so I'm trying to look at different routes right now. Maybe try to buff it just to see if buffing it works, then great. If not, maybe vinyl wrap. I feel like that'd be a lot easier, less of a pain in the ass, but these marks here, it's very tough to see. It kind of looks faded, but it's underneath the clear coat itself. So like if you push down on it, nothing happens. It's just like in the gel of the clear. So I don't really know what to do besides those options that I gave you. But either way, we're gonna start up the car, let it warm up for a little bit, and I will see you guys in a minute. We're at Kenny's shop. I already took the carbon fiber lip out of the box because it wasn't going to fit in the car, so I wanted to unbox it beforehand. So everything was packaged really, really nice, so I will say that. Obviously it's protected. I just unwrapped everything. It is pre-drilled, which is really, really nice because then you don't have to measure and drill everything. And they supply you with bolts and double-sided tape as well, just in case you want to be extra protected and really be secure with the lip itself. But either way, we have the car lifted up on the front. We're gonna start taking out the bolts from the previous lip, the OEM lip, and then we're gonna adjust this one, slide it up, and bolt everything down. We have the lip lined up. We don't have the car all the way up, so we can't get too good of an angle. But just to show you guys quick, underneath, we have the bolts here, if you can even see. The bolts are all here. They do supply screws, like I said, so you just screw those up with the OEM holes. You leave your OEM lip on. So like I said before, I swapped mine out with the carbon fiber where this one was black before. And then the new lip is gonna be pushed up against this. So when we push everything up and screw everything in, I'm gonna show you guys the final, but just so you can kind of see how it's starting to turn out. Basically, you just use the screws that come with the kit, and honestly, we used every hole. I didn't use any double-sided tape, but it should hold up. I mean, honestly, this ain't going nowhere. Unless maybe you hit something, then you might be fucked. But other than that, I think you should be fine. It looks really, really good. I think it makes the car look a lot more aggressive, and obviously now the car looks lowered. I'm on stock suspension, so I can only imagine what this looks like if you have lowering springs or coils on your car. And this was from Extreme Online Store, so I will link this down below in the description so you guys can take a look. Price-wise, it's fairly cheap for what it is. It's a real carbon fiber, has a really nice weave to it, and obviously everything bolts up perfectly. The fitment on it is like, I would say a 9 out of 10, where most of the time when you buy aftermarket parts, usually, unless you spend a lot of money, you kind of get screwed with the fitment. But this lined up perfectly. We didn't have any issues, and I would say altogether, if you have a lift or a jack and you get the car up, I would say about 25-30 minutes tops to do everything. So really, really nice. But I'm gonna fast forward to when I get home, and I will catch you guys there. The next day now, hopefully you guys enjoyed the install of the lip. Like I said, it was very, very easy. It was literally just putting the bolts that, or I should say the screws that came with the lip itself. I am gonna link it down below if you guys are interested. Like I said before, it is really affordable, especially for carbon fiber compared to like other lips that I've seen What's nice about this too is if you haven't lowered your car, it does make your car look obviously a lot more aggressive, and also makes it look a little bit lower, which is always nice. If you guys enjoyed the content, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I am gonna be posting a new video on the Raptor itself very, very shortly. I'm probably gonna go take it to get washed today and then go do a video, and I will post that soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.